Udaba lencwadi egunyaza ukuboshwa kaMengameli waseRussia iyaqhubeka nokuba sematheni. Iphini likaMengameli we-ANC uPaul Mashatile lithi ithimba longqongqoshe abahlukene lizohlangana ngomsombuluko ukudingida lolu daba.
Well, we are avoiding a knee-jerk reaction on this matter. So the President has appointed an interministerial committee, of which I will be chairing. We are meeting on Monday afternoon. We are going to look at this matter and then we'll make our position public.
Ngezinsolo zamalungu amathathu e-ANC ePhalamende asula ngokufuna ukufumbathiswa umvikeli womphakathi osamisiwe u-Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane ukuze kuchithwe isigcawu sakhe, uMashatile uthe basalinde umbiko.
Well, I haven't seen the report, so I've requested for it. Once I have the facts, I will engage with the affected comrades to get their side of the story. For now, it remains allegations. As soon as we get the facts, we will know what happened there. So I don't want to take any decisions until I meet with those affected comrades.
uMashatile uthi iqembu lizocela owayengumengameli uThabo Mbeki ukuba abe ingxenye yomkhankaso wokhetho.
Well, we would like him to be in the campaign with us. So we will go and see him. And if there are issues that he is worried about, we will resolve those with him. But he has always campaigned for the ANC, and I'm sure once we have had the discussion, he'll play a role.
uMashatile ke uthe iqembu elibusayo lizobuyisa isithunzi sabantu bakuleli bese lithumela izidingo emphakathini.